1966 Lincoln four-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, murdered out as they call it, with the complete black treatment to it. Also black tinted windows. Note that if you're in a state that has any sort of strict laws on the percentage of window tint, just want to throw that out there, that they are quite black. 462 underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission, of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. AC, have not had the AC blow cold, FYI. Consigner has chosen to sell this car the way that you see it, and reflected in the price. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the black Boss custom wheels. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Take a look up and down the length of the passenger side. Give you an idea how straight the car is. Of course, rear bumper blacked out also. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as the black paint, it does show well. Yes, you're going to find spots where it's been touched up here and there, but overall, you can see it has a nice shine to it. Good reflection. Almost looks wet. Take a look at that. Still pictures, once again, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. As we go from the rear to the front to the driver's side, show you the suicide door here in a second also. Check out the interior. It does have a custom stereo install, and we'll check out what's underneath the dash. And then in the trunk, you'll be able to see it in the still pictures. A few touch-up spots up here I wanted to point out. Yeah, there's a few spots like that where, again, either paint's been touched up or not perfect, but again, still shows well. All right, so front door, of course, suicide door. Of course, one of the things that's very popular about this body style Lincoln, and then of course a lot of the modern amenities that you get in a modern car already in the 66 Lincolns, like the power windows, power seat, of course, down here, power antenna, tilt column. Take a look at the condition of the fabric. No rips, tears, holes. Fabric in good shape. Also, as far as headliner, good shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Excuse me, sorry about that a second. There we go. Alright, there's the stereo system I was talking about. The little Kenwood underneath the dash is in working order, as you can hear. Still has the stock radio and stock looking dash to it. By the way, the power antenna you can see right here is working. And the switches for that would be right above the stock radio. So you want to slide those up. Let's go ahead and we'll slide it all the way down. Let's push that button right there. When we get out, I'll show you. It goes down to about that far. Top of the dash, free of really major sun bake, anything like that. Spot where it's cracked. Alright, so the doors close. Slip around the back so you hear that 462 run. That throaty exhaust note to it. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second when I get this hood open. There is a pull on the inside. I can probably do it with the camera here to show you how it works. Okay, so you do have the pull on the inside right here. Of course, that pops the hood. And then you have your second release. over here on the driver's side, or excuse me, passenger side.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
462 power steering, power brakes, AC components appeared all in there. Underneath the hood, it's nice and tidy and clean. And also kind of that murdered out look underneath the hood. A lot of black. 1966 Lincoln Continental four-door sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.